Hello, and thank you for checking out my video on how to make money using the eBay app through thrift shopping or even selling goods that you do have around your house that you just want to see what the value is and make some little extra money. So let's get started. Alright, so once you are logged into your phone, you're going to look for either your App Store on your iPhone, or you're going to want to look for the Play Store on your Android phone. So since I have an Android phone, I'm going to click on the Play Store, and you're going to want to go to the top where you can search for an app, and you're going to want to search for eBay. So once eBay does come up for your search results, you're going to click on the eBay app, and you're going to want to install it. I already do have it installed. Once you do have it installed, you're going to click on Open to open your app. All right, so then that'll bring you to the home page for eBay. From here, you're going to want to click on the little camera icon in your top right-hand part of your screen. So you're going to click on that. So then that'll open this page right here where you have the options to take a photo, select from the gallery, or scan a barcode. For items that you do not know the exact description of it, or like a product or something, for like when you're thrift shopping for items that don't have the box, the take a photo does give you the opportunity to try to get a name or just like an actual title for a listing on eBay, because you're not going to get the best search results with taking a picture like you will with the barcode or actual searching for the item. So for this, we're going to take a picture first. We're going to take a picture of the HEPA filter, even though we do know what it is called. So we'll take a picture of that. The one good part of the thrift shopping and seeing what you can make for the item about the photo is it does give you, like I said, listings for items that it thinks matches the pictures. So for the take a picture portion of it, said we can get a title that already is listed. So we have so we'll click into the one, and we'll highlight that just for video purposes. Okay, and you're going to want to copy that. For right now, we're going to copy it. So when we go back, we can go up to the sort, and you want to click on lowest to highest price. This will give you an idea of what the lowest price that this item currently is selling for based on the photo. But the bad thing about the photo is it does not narrow it down to the exact item. So now we're going to go back to our home screen, and we're going to go up to where it says search for anything, and we're going to just paste what we just did copy out of the photo search. So then that'll bring better results for that item. So now from here, you're going to click on the filter at the top right, and you're going to want to click where it says show more. And now we're going to scroll down, and we're going to look for where it says sold and completed items. And you want to click on sold. That should automatically select the completed items tab as well. So if you do see at the bottom where it says show 5 results, so if you do have that, that means this item has sold before on eBay. So you're going to click on where it says the show results, and then this will show you the results first with the most recent one that has sold. And that way you can see what the item has sold for recently, so you can judge based on the price at the thrift store if it is worth money, or if you just are selling items that you already have, it'll give you an idea of what it's sold for. Alright, so now we're going to go back to our main screen again, and we're going to right click up at the top where it does say, or where the little camera icon is. From here now we're going to try to scan a barcode. Searching from the gallery is basically the same as a photo, it's just from a photo that you've already taken. So now we're going to click on scan a barcode, and we are going to scan the barcode on that same filter. As you can see, this does give you the results based on the UPC, but this does only give you the results for the people that have previously scanned the barcode or put it into their listing, unfortunately. So now we're going to do the same concept. We're going to go up to the filter, and we're going to go to show more and scroll down to completed and sold items. And now, as you can see, now we have 13 additional results just based on scanning the barcode. And then this will give you like a better idea based on the barcode what this item has sold for recently on eBay. To, like I said, give you a better judgment of if the item is worth selling. So now we're going to go down into the filter and get rid of the filters that we did add. This is a technique that I like to do just to base on, because you can base your money that you're going to make on the item prices that they have sold for, but that doesn't mean someone else isn't trying to undercut the market by listing the item super cheap. So to make sure that you can still make money, if you did see that you can make money based on what it's sold for, we're going to go back and, like I said, get rid of those filters and go down to sort. And then you want to click on lowest price, because this will give you the lowest price that it currently is listed for on eBay. This filter I did only pay 50 cents for at the thrift store. So you can see based on just the lowest listing, I can make at least $10 plus $8 shipping. So if I do free shipping, I could probably charge about $18.54, which would roughly give me well over $10 in profit, because there is no weight to this filter. All right, just for video purposes, I'm going to do this barcode scan again for a different item. For this time, we're going to use the bullseye game. So I'm going to want to go down and scan the barcode. And like I said, we're going to go up to filter and show the results based on sold and completed items. As you can see, this item I do have is brand new. So you do have to make sure that you look at the condition of the item. As you can see, these are all pre-owned. So you got a wide range from 35 up to 50, and then you can see there's a brand new one that sold for $75. I did only pay $3 for this item, so this item is a highly profitable item. Alright, so now we're going to do the same thing we did before. We're going to go to the filter and get rid of our filters that we did add, and we're going to go back and click on the sort and lowest to highest pricing. And as you can see, this item is listed for, I usually like to base it on the buy it now, so even pre-owned, this item is listed for $35 with $11 shipping. So like I said, this item is very highly profitable. Alright, so for our third technique of looking to see if an item is worth money, we're going to go back and you're going to want to go to our home page and go up to search for anything. Now we're going to type in the name of the game, which is bullseye ball and then game. And like I said, this is going to give us results based on the description that we did type in. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go down to filter and then show more and then sold and completed items. So now you can see now we have 81 results, but before we didn't have that many. So as you can see, someone did sell the balls for $7. As you can see, the item has sold from a wide range of different prices. So, said even with some of these lower prices, this item is still profitable. And like I said, this gives you an idea of what it's sold for and how much profit you will make thrift shopping from it. Alright, thank you for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully it gave you some very good insight on how to make money on eBay using the eBay app.